Hi guys, I'm Ratisha here. Today I came with the two major swing trading stocks for the next week. And in this video, I will be explaining you the detailed video of it I chosen, what is the reason behind that, and each and every point analysis. Please watch the video completely. Then only you will be able to understand what is the reason to take this trade. This is the first stock on my radar, and the stock is creating pole and flag pattern. Stock also reversed from the 0.618 Fibonacci level, and also along with the stock given the breakout of a 200 EMI, along with the stock has given the breakout of this flag pattern, and now it is taking retest. You can go ahead and take the entry high of the breakout candle by keeping your SL below the 200 EMI, and you can expect 1:2 ratio. Second stock on my radar, and the stock is creating a rising wedge pattern, and also now the stock is trading at 200 EMI level, and also stock is taking support of a rising wedge support line, and also stock given the breakout of this downside trend line. Go ahead and take your entry once the candle closes above the breakout of this green candle by keeping your SLY below the 200 AM, and you can easily can expect 1:3 ratio in this stock. These are the two stocks, the stock. And thank you for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get more videos on stock market. Thank you.